2025. In Baluchistan, the Baluch Liberation Army has intensified its use of IEDs, silent weapons, buried deep beneath the earth, waiting for a single step. They do more than destroy. They create fear. Every soldier knows the ground itself could betray him. Each step could be the last. This fear spreads through entire units. Convoys move slower. Patrols are abandoned. Positions left behind. What were once small strikes have become massive attacks on convoys, on supply lines, on strongholds. Fewer resources, greater damage. This is the principle of guerrilla war. The IED has become more than a weapon. It has become psychological warfare.